In Michigan, about 1.4 million people receive Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP benefits, which likely will be suspended this coming Saturday. Local food banks are bracing for a surge of people who need help to feed themselves and their families. As Mid-Michigan Now's Kyle Macon reports, because of what could happen, the Food Bank of Eastern Michigan urgently needs your help.
We are currently experiencing the highest level of food insecurity in more than a decade.
Kara Ross, president of the Food Bank of Eastern Michigan, is sounding the alarm. She says when she first started at the food bank, they were giving out 6 million pounds of food a year. Now, that number is 39 million pounds.
We have 16% of our neighbors here experiencing hunger. That's painful. They're missing meals. They're not sure what to do for their kids.
Often, people are left deciding whether to pay bills or just get food. She says with the government shutdown, millions of Americans will be losing a major support system.
For every one meal a food bank is able to provide, SNAP provides 10.
She says with SNAP benefits getting paused, more than 1.4 million Michiganders who use SNAP will be turning to her nonprofit for help. The Food Bank of Eastern Michigan gets 30% of its funding from the government, and the rest comes from public donations.
We tried to raise $1 million in 2 months to sustain us for the year, but we're facing a really huge deficit, and we know more people are going to be in lines at pantries. So really, we need double that to try to make this happen.
With the need rising, many in the community are working together to help. Agencies like the Genesee County Sheriff's Office have collected enough food to last at least 2 weeks.
We're hoping that the government is able to come to an agreement to get those benefits turned back on. But in the meantime, you should not worry about where you're going to get your next meal. We got you.
For each dollar you donate to the Food Bank of Eastern Michigan, 6 people will receive a meal. If you would like to help, you can find a link on our website, MidMichiganNow.com. Reporting in Flint, Kyle Macon, Mid-Michigan Now.